Hi, you are watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. So today we are at Pharma, an exhibition of luxury labels organized at Hayat Regency in Ludhiana. Here, women entrepreneurs have gathered under one roof and they have brought wide variety of products. So let's talk to them regarding the products as well as their journey as an entrepreneur. So we are having with us Anamika Ghai, Chairman Fiki Flow. Ma'am, welcome to The Savera. How you see this pharma as an exhibition and as a platform for women entrepreneurs?
Yeah, it's a great platform, वेरी गुड एग्जीबिशन एवरीवन मस्ट विजिट लोग बहुत दूर दूर से आए हैं अपने स्टॉल्स लेकर वेरी वेरी गुड एवरीथिंग इज़ सो गुड आई मीन बेड कवर्स हो जाएं सूट्स हो जाएं सो यू नो अंडर वन रूफ यू गेट सो मेनी थिंग्स ऑल टुगेदर इट्स अ वेरी गुड एग्जीबिशन
What are your advice for the young women entrepreneurs who are coming up and starting their businesses?
या इट्स फॉर द एग्जीबिशंस
No, journal basically.
ऑफ कोर्स इंडिपेंडेंट होना इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग आजकल मुझे लगता है कोई भी बहुत कम लड़कियां हैं जो जिनकी सोच है कि वो डिपेंडेंट रहे इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी गर्ल्स आर स्टडिंग आजकल रूरल एरिया से ही लोग दे वांट टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट तो सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द गर्ल्स टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट
Being a woman entrepreneur, how you differentiate your brand in today's competitive market?
बीइंग एन इंडिपेंडेंट सी आई एम अ होम मेकर सो
Okay.
या सो मुझे लगता है कि जितनी जनरेशन आज की आ रही है तो आई थिंक होम मेकर होके भी हम लोग बहुत वी डू लॉट मैनी थिंग्स लाइक वी आर सो इन्वॉल्व इन सोशल दिस थिंग welfares and all and we are creating platform for the working especially for the working ladies तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ जुड़ के देर आर सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ यू कैन गेट तो because it gives you a lot of platform like we are connecting now within the Punjab cities Jalandhar Fagwada तो मुझे लगता है आपस में there is so much of trade there is so much of connectivity जिससे आपस में business करके बहुत बढ़ता है it is basically for the our members.
So we are having with us woman entrepreneur Dolly Sidhana. Ma'am, how you see this pharma as a platform for women entrepreneurs?
It's a wonderful platform, and I'm sure people who are participating in this and exhibiting their work, it is uh, such a platform wherein people can come and shop, and it gives them their confidence, boosts up their skills. In terms of they understanding what the market is demanding and what the market is requiring. So I think it is a wonderful platform, and people should participate in it with full um, grace and full diligently, and it'll be great for them.
Being a woman entrepreneur, and nowadays many more women entrepreneurs are coming up. What kind of challenges you faced in your time, and what is your advice to them?
So I would say the challenges that I faced when I started my work, it was 25 years back. So it's been like it was another era altogether. So the difference then and now, what I see is the opportunities that people are getting now is far more different than what we had at that time. You know, considering the social media which is available and which you can use as a, that's how we use to, rather than just posting pictures, using it as also as an emotional connect to with people, and showing your work, showcasing, getting different opportunities to showcase your own work and all. So I think that is a wonderful. This is a wonderful time wherein people can like explore more. They can expose their work. They can explore what is in the market, and can do wonders for themselves.
What are your advice to the young women entrepreneurs?
Just go follow your dreams.
So, ma'am, what is this pharma is all about?
Pharma means fashion. Pharma is all about the exhibition of luxury labels. We have all good brands, all luxury labels under one roof, and we try to bring all good labels. Maybe it is Pret, it is wedding trousseau, it is jewelry, it is footwear, it is bags, it's daily wear. Daily wear, everything is under one roof. So pharma is fashion. So I guess fashion lover people should not miss pharma.
Being a woman entrepreneur, how you see what kind of challenges you face in the society, and what in this competitive market, how you keep your brand separate.
I guess I need not to face any challenge, being my husband always standing by my side. And yes, in competition you do have many challenges to face on, but with God grace everything is going great.
Many young women are now coming up and opening up their brands. What are your advice to them?
hard work, hard work, and hard work. This is the best thing I can tell, because hard work is the key to success, as it is said. So hard work karo, and pray to God, and yes, study the market, see what people want, what are their aspirations, and listen to your heart, and वो कहते हैं ना, focus on your dreams, you'll get the success.
How you see this exhibition as a platform for women entrepreneurs and for the luxury brands?
Okay, so we have a long association with Pharma. The past is also beautiful, and we are planning for a future long term exhibition. They have a good customer data, they focus on the good exhibitors and inviting this Ludhiana city's maximum clientele. So, for all the women entrepreneurs, this seems to be a very good platform wherein there are other exhibitors along with PP Jewelers. We bring the best schemes for all the females of Ludhiana. For all the summer brides, we have the best collection with 0% making, no stone charges, and no GST.
Nowadays, many young women they are coming up as an entrepreneur. What are your suggestions, advice for them?
This is definitely the world of female empowerment, and I congratulate each and every woman who is making her mark in the society, and women must step out, because women power can deal inside and outside, both ways well.
Here at Pharma Luxury Exhibition, and it's been years they have been putting up, and the best part is they are covering so many new cities, like lately they have done Jammu and they're stepping to Dehradun. So it's a feather, they are increasing every day, which is really worth praising, and all the hard work goes to Minnie and the complete team and Dolly, and though we get everything under one roof, from all brands to luxury, pret couture, and obviously jewelry is there, which is the most happening thing and most likable by all the ladies. So we wish all the best to the ladies, and we want everyone to please do step in, and happy shopping.
So you are watching The Savera, Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.